To start, highlight the text you want to adjust. If you want to apply the change to the entire document, press the Ctrl and A keys together. This selects all the text, so any changes you make will affect the full document. Once your text is highlighted, navigate to the Home tab at the top of the Word window. In the Home tab, locate the Editing group and select the Replace option. This opens the Find and Replace dialog box, which allows you to make formatting adjustments quickly across your text. Click in the Find What text field and press your spacebar once to create a single space. Then click in the Replace with field and also press the spacebar once. This ensures that Word knows you want to adjust spaces between words without changing the letters themselves. Next, expand the dialog box by clicking the More button. This reveals additional options for formatting and replacements. Click Format and choose Font from the drop-down menu. Here, under Size, select the font size you use most consistently throughout your document. This ensures the spacing adjustments match the overall formatting of your text. After selecting the correct font size, click OK to return to the main Find and Replace dialog box. Once everything is set, click Replace All. Word will scan the document and adjust the spacing according to your settings. A new dialog box will appear reporting the number of replacements made. If you want the changes to apply to the entire document, select Yes. If you only want to adjust the spacing in the text you initially highlighted, select No. After completing these steps, the spacing between words should now be consistent throughout your document, giving it a clean and polished appearance. You can now close the Find and Replace window, and your adjustments are complete.